Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'm going to teach you a short trick you have to utilize in beating time in any examination you find yourself into. I've tried to go live to teach this particular topic, but I experienced so many technical issues, so I decided to make a recorded video. Okay, here this is a simultaneous equation. You can solve this simultaneous equation in just 1 second if you know this trick. But this trick can only work if there is a relationship between the constant term in the right hand side. When I say constant term, I mean a term without any letter, that is 10 and 30. If there is a relationship between this constant term and any of the letter here, be it y or x, and a clear observation here will reveal that if this constant is reduced to the lowest term, you can get this. For example, if I divide this by 2, I'm getting 5. If I divide this by 2, I'm getting 15. You can see that this is 5 and this is 5. This is 15 and this is 15. If this relationship exists, don't worry yourself. Just know that the value of y is non-zero. Whenever this thing is obtainable, it means that the value of y is 0. Okay? If y is then 0, then it means that the y here is not useful. Hence, you write that first 5x equals 10. And to get your value of your x, divide both sides by 5. So, and 10 divided by 5 will give us 2. Therefore, x is equivalent to 2 and y is equivalent to 0. So, whenever you notice this kind of relationship, that particular variable that is not related to the constant term must be equal to 0. Then if it is 0, if you put 0 here, 4 times 0 is 0, it has gone, remaining 5x equal to 10, or you say 15x equal to 30. In any case, you must arrive at the same 2 for your x and y is 0. Let's take another question for clarity. In the second question, let's say you have 3x plus 6y equal to 24, and the 5x plus 8y equal to 32, for instance. Now check if there is a relationship between the constant term and any term in the left hand side. Of course there is. When I divide this by 4, I'll get 6. If I divide this by 4, I'll get 8. This is 6, this is 6, this is 8, and this is 8. So this trick will work on this particular equation here. And if this is so, it worked with y. And because it worked with y, automatically our x is equal to 0. And if x is equal to 0, it means that 3 times 0